My name is Palak Patel, and I'm the author of the cookbook and blog, The Chutney Life, where I share Indian-inspired recipes for fresh and flavorful meals. My collection with Williams Sonoma has everything from chutneys and sauces to starters and rubs, all inspired by family recipes and my absolute love of sharing meals with people. This collection is really all about giving people the opportunity to enjoy delicious Indian meals at home while they still feel really intentional but also super effortless. We've really done the hard work of choosing the best ingredients to make products that are authentic, accessible, and most importantly, versatile enough to use every day. The tandoori spice mix is great on chicken, but it's also delicious on roasted vegetables or as a spice in a delicious savory snack mix. The tikka masala sauce works great as a spread in a sandwich, on top of a pizza, or even to poach some eggs in. Whether it's a busy weeknight that you're cooking or you're hosting a fun and festive dinner party for friends, you can let these ingredients do the heavy lifting for you so you can actually enjoy your time. I've developed so many fun ways for you to use all of the items in this collection. You can find the recipes at williamssonoma.com.